What's going on, man? We back again. Another video, another update on the caddy. I actually got the Brougham back a day earlier than I expected to from the Top Shop. But man, I'm telling y'all, I don't know if I want to keep going on this project or not because it's starting already off on the bad foot. And honestly, I mean, it's not a bad thing. The dude killed the top. He absolutely killed the top on this car. But we run into a little bit of a problem with the top because he never explained to me that, that factory GM dark brown is like discontinued. So he kind of gave me a different color top without kind of telling me. And I really don't know how I feel about this top. So I'm going to let y'all see the top on the car. And y'all tell me what y'all think about the top. It's kind of starting to grow on me. But then again, I'm kind of like, I don't know. But because the car is actually not dark brown. So when the sun hits it, I think the color is called dark antelope metallic is the color of this car. And the way the top looks with the car, it's starting to grow on me a little bit. So let me show y'all. Y'all can see, man. As you see, the car doesn't seem like it's that dark, which is truly not. I don't know if you can tell in this camera, but I'm about to show y'all the top, and y'all kind of tell me what y'all think. Should I go with a different color or should I just kind of keep it? Because it kind of almost matches the pinstripe, but let me show y'all. If y'all can see it in the light. Got a little glare out here, but the top is actually like a real like charcoal color on it. If y'all can see it. Like it's normally this dark color, like this trim right here. The top was about the color of this trim right there. But now it's like a charcoal color. And I'm kind of not sure if I like it or not, but it definitely gonna take some getting used to. We're coming along on it. I still got to pull the rear bumper off, pull these fillers out, get them repainted, and also got to get it detailed really bad. I need it really badly clay barred and buffed. As y'all can see though, y'all can see the water runs like in the car, like it's got some kind of cleaner on it that it had when I got it. I'm trying to see if I can get somebody to buff all that out because it's a lot of it up the sides. And also, we're gonna try to change the color of this trim that's all faded out from the sun back to the factory color, which is more of a gold color, like a really light gold color. So we're gonna start working on that. I actually got it done on the rear bumper section because I put it on, it was actually missing. So I redid the rear bumper section and it kind of has that gold color to it. So I think I'm gonna finish it out in that color. But y'all see it, man, it's coming. And another reason I need to get it buffed out is because I want to see when I repaint this hood. I'm trying to paint this car as cheaply as possible and fix the flaws. Like, should I, once I get this wet sanded and buffed, and not wet sanded, but polished, buffed out, clay barred, should I just get it touched up in the center section, or should I repaint the whole hood? Just trying to find a route that works for me, because like I said with the Monte Carlo, I'm taking a different approach on this one than I did the Monte Carlo, because that one taught me a lot of lessons that I'm not trying to go through again. Definitely learned a lot messing with that Monte Carlo. But what do y'all think of the top? Y'all like it, man? Let me know in the comments. There we go, there it is. Now I can actually get a good look when the sun hits the car. The top kind of almost matches, almost, but it's just a shade off. But I did talk to the guy, man, that did it, and he did tell me 100%, like, I believe him, that you can't match that GM color. So I talked to him and another place at VTS, and they said the same thing. They were like, that'd be the closest we can get it, because they don't manufacture so many colors in vinyl tops, because not a lot of cars use a vinyl top anymore. So yeah, man, we're trudging along on this car, getting it going. Pretty soon should I be able to get these replaced. These should be getting delivered pretty soon, and that'll help clean up the front. Y'all see those are trashed. Oh, this one is worse than that one, so those will be getting delivered pretty quick, and we'll get those thrown on it, painted up, mask the whole car off, redo the trim. As y'all can see, I kind of did that one on my own to kind of get it back to the factory color, but we're gonna finish it out, mask the whole car off, One step at a time, one day at a time, $1 at a time. That's what I'm gonna do on this one. What y'all think, man? I think it's dope. Starting to grow on me. I changed my mind. I like it. I like it. I didn't at first, but I think with the right wheel and tire combination, and once I get all the trim finished up, and it looks just like this corner that I've done right here, get all the trim finished out, the right wheel and tire combination. I'm still torn. Do I want to go brush gold, 24 karat gold, but they all gonna have chrome lips, so do I just go brush face chrome lip on this one? I made my mind up, it's getting 26s because I never had 26s, so we're gonna put 26s on it. What do y'all think, man? In that comment section, man, do y'all like the top? I finally came to the conclusion I like it, so y'all let me know. He laid the top down, laser straight. He fixed all the issues right here in the body where it had, like, he was telling me, like, it had like some high spots, low spots. I think he nailed it. But anyway, man, that's enough of me rambling on, man. That's still showing y'all a little update on the top. We're gonna see y'all in the next video.